In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portrait cartoon photo in Canva. We'll walk through using Canva's built-in Cartoonify tool so you can turn a regular portrait into a clean, stylized cartoon in just a few clicks. I'll explain what to click, what to look for, and a few practical tips to get a great result the first time. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see the left-hand sidebar. On that sidebar, click Apps. This is where Canva keeps extra tools and integrations that extend what you can do on your canvas. When the Apps panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top, along with a grid of app suggestions. In the search bar, type Cartoonify. Be sure to spell it as one word to surface the correct tool quickly. You should see it appear in the results with a thumbnail and the app name. If you notice similar sounding options, focus on the one specifically labeled Cartoonify to keep things simple. Next, click on Cartoonify. The app will open in the sidebar with a clean interface and a few controls. If your portrait is already on the canvas, the app will be ready to work with it. Think of this panel as your command center for the effect. You choose the look here, and Canva applies it directly to your image. Now select the style. Cartoonify typically offers several style presets, ranging from flatter, minimalist looks to bolder comic-inspired treatments. For a headshot, styles with moderate contrast usually preserve facial features nicely while still giving that fun, illustrated vibe. Take a moment to consider the lighting and background in your original portrait. Styles with softer shading can be kinder to busy or low-light photos, while punchier styles pop on clean, bright images. When you're happy with your choice, click Cartoonify Image. This applies the effect to your portrait on the canvas. If you have multiple images on the page, make sure your intended portrait is selected first so the app targets the right one. Give Canva a few seconds to process. Larger images can take a moment. Once the effect appears, look closely at edges, hair, and skin tones. If it feels too intense or not bold enough, simply return to the style list and try another preset for a better fit. That's all there is to it. Open Apps, search for Cartoonify, open it, choose a style, and click Cartoonify Image to apply. With those steps, you can transform any portrait into a polished cartoon look right inside Canva. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your new cartoon portrait.